Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. When you consider just where it was on Monday at its lows, and all of a sudden the price is up there. Sure, it pulled back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it is right now, any rational person would say that's a good, solid move. But that also brings up a valid question of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using the chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around down here at the $7 mark. So why is 7 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that, price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about the $7 mark. If the price were to come down to 7 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price from a literal perspective? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined there as the $7 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. It's all about that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200 period moving average. So not exactly shocking to see that is right where the price ultimately got rejected from today. So keep a close eye on that going forward. But overall, definitely great movement, great volume today, and now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.